All right, so I'm out here piddle dinking in the garage, sitting here at the computer. This inverter just makes so much damn noise. So what I came up with was a hush box slash muffler, and I'm gonna shut up and just let you hear the difference. Hear it? So what I did was put some of this Silas 80 mil thick matting down and also some jute carpeting in there and put a few layers over there. And if you're concerned about overheating, not an issue. Not an issue. I mean, it's a fan driven thing and it's blowing out quite nicely right here. Air inlet right here. Maybe in the summertime if I'm inverting a whole bunch of power, yeah, but I'm not worried about it.